A few months ago, we released a curtain wall mock-up video, and you guys really loved it. So naturally, we have to do a storefront too. Now today, I'm going to be playing with Tube Light's 14,000 series. So make sure you take a really close look at the instructions, because I do have to take this back apart and put it together a few times. So I'm not going to be using sealant, but you can't forget that part. We'll start off with the easy part. We're going to start off with the two open back volumes for the verticals, the open back volume for the top, the horizontal, and the sill. Next, we're going to add these gaskets to the back. Don't forget to make sure you're looking at the instructions so you cut these the right length. Next, I'm going to use some cutoffs of some flat filler to put in the backs of these mullions so that the backer rod doesn't just fall in. Fill the rest with plastic flat filler. And now it's time to put in the sill pan. Now we use spacers to level the frame according to the instructions. Don't forget to make sure you're following those instructions to know where you're putting sealant, like the top of the screws that we just anchored down. Now, I'm going to grab the frame and put that into place. Now that our frame is in place and everything is sealed, it's time to get working on the glass. So first, our water diverters and our setting blocks. Okay, now that the glass is in place, I just need to put the glazing stops and finish off the rest of the gasket, and then we're done. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you do have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments. Once again, to learn more about glass, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.